Well, we know that countless companies have been forced to shut their doors and send staff home all amid the lockdown. But there is one rather surprise industry that has seen a boom in its business: the plexiglass makers. Frank Holland is back at CNBC HQ with more on this interesting, kind of sad, I guess, side of the story.
Yes, sir. Brian, certainly a sign of the time. So plexiglass production spiked 300% globally in April as demand in grocery stores, manufacturing, and even banks skyrocketed as companies continue to battle against COVID-19 in the workplace. For example, Bank of America says it has installed 6,800 of what it calls wellness barriers at teller windows and another 16,000 barriers in other client-facing situations. Despite the surge in need for the clear plastic barriers made out of plexiglass, acrylic, and a number of other substances, plexiglass prices currently sit at a two-year low, 40% lower than the May 2018 pricing. That's largely due to the majority of demand coming from the construction and auto sectors, which have been largely shut down due to the pandemic. That's led small business owners like Jim Whitehead, who normally supplies clear partitions to automakers, to shift his Michigan-based business to meet COVID-19 related demand, now producing a clear partition for a variety of needs.
We've sold about 37% of our orders to a medically related organization, whether it be doctor's offices or dentist offices. There's a fair amount of retail customers that have purchased, and just also your general office environments. That's what seems to be the steady stream of orders is coming from that general office environment, and we see that as a high growth area.
And in April, raw material prices for plexiglass spiked by 25% in Europe, really responding to that high growth that Jim was just talking about. Now, most of the production of plexiglass is currently outside of the U.S., but if COVID-19 concerns continue and prices rebound as the economy reopens, analysts say that could increase domestic production.